Okay. I'm gonna, yes, unboxing of this Paris Hilton Beauty Mirror. I don't know how to open this. Or maybe I need a scissor for this. Just look at that. Paris Hilton. Oh, here. Oh, saw it. So this is the mirror. And I also have this Uncline magnifying mirror. It's 15 times. That's Uncline. With suctions. Yeah. Then I have to put it back. And lock it again. In here. And also this one. Because I have two of this in my room. The other one got broke. The other one nandun sa isang magnifying mirror ko. Pero it's not, the suction is not good. Natatanggal siya. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put it here. See? So I can use it like this. Right? It's really very nice. So this is my Paris Hilton mirror, and the other one is the Uncline magnifying mirror. Isn't this cool? Pwede ko siyang dalahin wherever I go. Sa car, when I travel, kahit saan, sa bag ko, lalagay ko siya. But I think I'm gonna buy a bag for this para hindi siya magasgas. Okay? This is pretty good. Very nice. Ito, hindi ka matatakot na mahulog siya. Yung ano kasi, siguro murahin yun. Kaya, natatanggal yung suction niya. Tsaka maliliit siya, maliit. It's like, ganito kaliit lang siya o ganyan. Ito, kahit na, bukas masyado, hindi talaga siya matanggal. So, meaning, this one has a good quality. Yeah. That's